This is a video on traditional long division. Okay. To do traditional long division, the first thing you want to do is take the dividend, write it down, put it in a box, but the box looks like this. Okay. Then take the divisor and put it on the outside of the box. And then your answer will go here. Now you want to write your mnemonic: divide, multiply, subtract. Now this time it's bring down and then repeat, or daddy, mother, sister, brother, rover. Okay, which means divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, repeat. Okay. What you can do here to keep yourself organized is just make columns if you want. Okay. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to divide, and you're going to say how many 4s are in 5. 4, 8, too many, 1. So you put the 1 up here, check. Now you're going to multiply. 1 times 4 is 4, check. Then you're going to subtract. 5 minus 4 is 1, check. And now what you're going to do is you're going to bring down. So the way this works is you just take this 7 and you bring it down. It's right there, check. And now this means repeat or remainder. So it looks like we have to repeat because this is our new dividend. So we go up and we start here. So now how many 4s are in 17? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, too many? So that's 4. So we put 4 here, check. Now we're going to multiply. 4 times 4 is 4, 8, 12, 16. Check. Now we're going to subtract. 7 minus 6 is 1. 1 minus 0 is nothing, so I'll leave that blank. Check. Now it says to bring down, so I always try to bring it down to this last line, and then it's kind of like one of those machines with the claw. The claw opens here and drops the number. Okay, once I see that arrow, I know I have to repeat, so I'm going to go up and divide. How many 4s are in 13? 4, 8, 12, 16, too many, so that's 3. I put the 3 here, check. Now I'm going to multiply. 3 times 4 is 3, 6, 9, 12. So I'm going to put a 12 here, check. Now I'm going to subtract. 3 minus 2 is 1. And now I'm going to bring down, but you see there's nothing to bring down here. So this must be my remainder. So I'm going to put R1. Meaning 143 remainder 1, and that is my quotient, 134 remainder 1. Okay, next problem. Okay, again, the first thing you're going to do is write the dividend. The second thing you're going to do is put that in this kind of weird box. Then you're going to write the divisor on the outside. And now you're going to write your mnemonic: daddy, mother, sister, brother, rover. Okay, and we know this is divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, repeat. So this is different. With box method, it's bring up. Okay. So now I'm going to start divide. How many 2s are in 3? 2, 4, 1. Now I'm going to check. Now I'm going to multiply. 1 times 2 is 2. Now I'm going to subtract. 3 take away 2 is 1. And now it says I need to bring down, so I'm going to bring this down. Remember, it goes to, it's like a claw, and it drops the 2 right at that line. And now I have to repeat again. So I go all the way up here, and I know I'm going to say how many 2's are in 12. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. That's 6 exactly. Check. Now I'm going to multiply. 6 times 2, 6, 12. It's 12. Now I'm going to subtract. 12, take 2, take away 2 is 0, and 1 minus 1 is 0. And now I'm going to bring down. So remember, it goes down to the last line, and it's like a claw. The claw opens up and drops the 8 right at that line. And now I have to go back up. So now I'm going to divide again. How many 2's are in 8? 2, 4, 6, 8, exactly 4. Check. Now I'm going to multiply. 4 times 2 is 8. Check. Now I'm going to subtract. 8 minus 8 is 0. And I'm going to bring down. Well, there's nothing to bring down, so I know the remainder is 0. You know, you don't have to put our remainder 0. If it's 0, you could just put 164. But just so I'm always doing the same thing all the time, I'm going to put remainder 0. That way, when I have a remainder, I'll practice that. Okay, one last problem. Right, last problem. The first thing you have to do is write the dividend, put a box around it, then put the divisor on the outside like a bow. Then you want to write your mnemonic: daddy, mother, sister, brother, rover, okay, which stands for divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, repeat. And now we're going to do the first step. So which is divide. How many 7's in 6? 7, too many, that's 0. So I write a 0. Check. Next is to multiply. So I put a little time symbol here. 0 times 7 is 0. Check. Now I'm going to subtract. 6 take away 0 is 6. Check. And now I'm going to bring down. Remember, I always bring down to the line. This is like a claw, and it drops the 2 right at the line. Check. And now I repeat. So I go all the way up again, and I say how many 7's are in 62? 7, 14, 21, and 28, 35, 42, and 49, 56, 63. Too many? So that would be 8. And I put that here. Check. Now I'm going to multiply. 8 times 7, 8, 16, 24, 32, and 40, 48, 56. So I put 56 here. Check. Now I'm going to subtract. I have 2. Can I take away 6? No. Go next door. Grab 10 more. 12 take away 6 is 6. 5 take away 5 is nothing. Check. And now I bring down. Remember, I'm going to bring down to this line, so this claw will drop the 3 right here. And now it says repeat. So I always forget that step. So now I go up and I say how many 7's are in 63? 7, 14, 21, and 28, 35, 42, and 49, 56, 63. Ooh, that's exact. That's 9. So I put it here and check. Now I multiply. 9 times 7, 9, 18, 27, 36, and 45, 54, and 63. That's 63. So I'm here, 63. Check. Now I subtract, and 63 take away 63 is 0. Now I bring down, but there's nothing to bring down. So, and I guess that would be our remainder instead of repeat, so that would be 0. So the answer here is 89, remainder 0. And I always like to bring the remainder up here also, because we tend to forget it if it's down there. Hope that helps. Bye.